Hi guys, this is Haris from teamandroid.com and today I have the new Huawei Nova 3 with me. This new phone is actually targeted towards the mid-range category, but it features specs of a flagship device. The last flagship phone from Huawei came out I think about a couple of months back, and it featured the new Kirin 970 processor, which featured AI capabilities and a few other specs of it. Well, the new Nova 3 actually comes with the very same processor, and it's very similar to the P20 Pro in a number of ways. So the Huawei Nova 3 comes with 128 gigs of storage internally, and it also supports expanding the storage with a micro SD card. That means you can go up till, let's say, over 300 gigs of storage on this phone. They're marketing this phone as a selfie superstar. That means they have put an extra emphasis on the cameras. This phone comes with 4 cameras, not just one. It comes with 2 on the front and 2 cameras at the back. The 2 front cameras are 24 megapixels and 2 megapixels. And the back side, the camera module consists of 24 megapixels and 16 megapixels cameras. Both of these cameras feature AI. That means it helps you taking better and high quality pictures even in the lowest of lights. We'll get into the camera later in our full review. Nova 3 comes with 4 gigs of RAM inside it, and it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with Huawei's EMUI 8.2 experience skin on top of it. Now let's start with the unboxing and see what's inside this. Okay, so here's the box. Let's start opening it. I like the neat packaging. Huawei started this packaging a few years back. Nice neat white box with just the minimalistic phone name on it. I love it. So here we have the warranty card. And this is the box. Let's just open the seal inside. And here is the Huawei Nova 3. Let's just put it up in the box. Wow, it's gorgeous. So this is the iris purple color. There are about 5 other colors available. But I think this is like my favorite one. This is beautiful. It's just so gorgeous. Huawei started this trend of gradient paint jobs, I think, from the Huawei P20 Pro. I love it on that phone as well, but this one is again so vibrant and so like the color pops on this phone. It wasn't like this with the P20 Pro. It's beautiful. We'll get to the phone later. Yeah. Let's see what else is inside the box. We have stickers. Have the ejection tool. Oh, that's great. So recently this new trend is that smartphone companies have started shipping a TPU case right inside the box. This one is, you don't have to go like just after buying a phone, you don't have to go out and get a new separate case. So it's nice. I think it put it on fine. Yes. There's charger. This phone supports fast charging. That's one of the perks of USB Type-C. I'll even test my power delivery charger with this one. This looks great. Then we have here's the USB Type-C cable. It's a standard USB-C, USB A to USB-C cable. This will work with this power brick. Yeah, for power delivery you will need a Type-C to Type-C cable. Here are the earphones. Very nice. Yeah, I think that's pretty much inside the phone. Let's power on the phone. Oh wait, let's just peel off the wrappers first, and then we'll see. We'll power on the phone. Nice. Then we have backside. Gorgeous. Let me just clean up this mess and then just get started. Such beautiful. This is the Huawei Nova 3. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the phone. We'll do a full review after using it for a few days. Stay tuned for more updates. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Thank you guys for watching.